Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Fetch. All right, so yeah, wanted to do daily updates. I personally am still interested in this. I know a lot of you are also still interested in this. So I wanted to give you my thoughts. And someone in the comments said, and I thought it was quite interesting, because I get this comment more often that it seems like I'm just talking about something, etc., and that I don't know what I'm talking about. So perhaps that speaks to me that I have to be more clear, which I'll try to be. All right, I'm not sure if I'll do that at the beginning of the video or the end, but my thoughts on Fetch are quite clear right here. All right, short term, there's just not much that's interesting about Fetch, and I've told you this countless times. I mean, if we do get some sort of momentum, I think AI is quite well positioned to actually get some momentum if Bitcoin finds support. But if you look at the last 24 hours, like there's absolutely no momentum for Bitcoin, and therefore there will also be no momentum flowing into altcoins such as Fetch. So purely short term, I don't think that there's anything you need to do. If we do gain some momentum, then 1.26 and 1.26.5 cents is a level to watch. Like, I would have a price alert there, and then if we break above that, and at the same point of time the open interest also starts to rally, then I would consider buying. All right, because that's interesting. Then you have momentum, and then hopefully Bitcoin is also a bit more bullish, and you have a significant breakout, because that level right there is a significant level. That's also, if you go to the 1 hour time frame, like that's been the main resistance level holding us back from getting up higher. Like that's the level where we end up every time. So until we get a breakout, I don't think that's interesting. And that's I think that's very clear. I think that's the thing you need to know about Fetch. I personally, I mean, if you want an area to buy, I would say $1 could be a good area to buy, but I would wait for a strong reaction from that first, in these circumstances. And I think in general, long term, I think Fetch or ASI, whatever you want to call it, it's basically the same at this point of time. I think long term is still a great buy. I would DCA because, like I said, the market circumstances are not ideal. But the projects, so Fetch, Ajax, Ocean, they're all building something real. All right. So if people want to invest in AI, in crypto, and if you have some money, what you would do is you would invest in a project that's actually building something. Maybe Render, maybe IO.net also are good candidates. But therefore, I think Fetch has a good future long term. I just think short term that there's nothing you should do about it. You could, like I said, wait for that 1.26 level. At this point of time, we are gaining some momentum right here, but it's very CVD neutral. So it's like some people are positioning themselves, but it's longs and shorts, so there's no momentum brewing. So at this point of time, I would say it's unlikely to see something like this. Even though I do think you need to be ready for it, I think it's much more likely that we'll just stay in this consolidation here and that we'll follow the market, which would be a move down to $1, because at this point of time, like I said, the markets have not been strong. Even after bullish news yesterday, Bitcoin got a bearish breakout and a bearish reclaim. So I would say something like this is most likely, and that's, in general, I would say that's pretty clear, right? I mean, let me know down in the comments if that is clear. A lot of you also just want to know what to do. I would do nothing. There are plenty of other cryptos where opportunities are much more plenty. I shorted Jasmine yesterday. I shorted Near earlier this morning, for example. So I think there are much more opportunities in the markets. I think Fetch is interesting to watch because it has long-term potential, and it can turn bullish very, very quickly in a short period of time. And that's also why I'm watching it, and that's why I keep an eye on it almost every hour. But for now, those are my thoughts. All right. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.